Guys, I'm making a stir fry, beef stir fry, and I wanted to show you how I cut my onions a little different when I make a stir fry than when I just make, when I slice onions or chop onions. The onions have a root and a blossom. So I cut off the blossom and then I cut this in half. I mean, I just thought I should do this real quick and just demonstrate in case you don't know. Your onion will have you cry differently depending on how you slice it. And this is a terrific way not to cry as much. So I cut it down the middle, and then I, of course, took the skin off, and then I go that way, just like that. So that's how the proper way for a stir fry to cut your onion.
Okay, while I'm stir frying, if you have made stir fry at home and it really doesn't taste the same as your favorite takeout place, 2 quick tips, and everything's on Cooking with Aunt Shirley. See this oyster sauce? You gotta get you some. And also put a little cornstarch and flour on your meat to stir fry it first.